Okay, boys and girls, welcome again to another series of our maths videos. Today we'll be covering the topic of averages, and we're going for three averages. Hopefully, probably one video should cover it. If not, we might have to do two. So let's move on to our whiteboard. Okay, so let's start off with what average means. So average is someone's described as average height, means they're normal. So I'll just make it bigger. So normal. So that's what average means. It means normal or usual. So if you're making notes, write that down. And there are three types of averages you have to know, and they all begin with the letter M. Three types of averages. Okay, so we put a copy of three M's here. So one is mean, which we'll cover last. The second one is mode, and the third one is median. So the three M's. Okay, let's start with the easiest one first. Let's start with mode. Mode. So what is mode? So mode means the one that appears most often. Most often. Appears most often. So in example here, what is the mode of this series here? The mode, if you look at the one that appears the most, is 9. 9 appears 3 times. 3 only appears twice. 1 appears twice. So the number that appears the most is 9. So the mode of that series is 9. So we say the mode of that is 9. Nice and easy. Okay, so that's mode. The next one we're going to have to cover is median. Median sounds like middle. So you put the numbers in size order, and then you find out the middle number. So make sure most kids forget to put it in size order. So let's just do this one here. 2, 5, 1, 7, 8. Okay, first of all, you've got to put it in size order. And so the best thing is to cross it out as you go along. So 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Now, then you find out the middle number, you cross off one from each end. And then what number appears in the middle is 5. So the median is 5, the middle number. Okay. Now sometimes you have more two numbers in the middle. Okay, once you put it in size order. So if you look at this example here, oops, so if you take example, so take that on the screen. So we're doing this example here. So first of all, let's put it in size order. Most kids again forget to put it in size order, so we cross it off as we go along. So 2 is the smallest, 5 is the next, 7 is the next, and 27 is the last one. So notice we've got two numbers in the middle. So if you've got two numbers in the middle, what we have to do is to add those two numbers together and divide by 2. That will give us the median. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So the median is 6. Okay, so that's the. So we've done mode. Mode is most the one that appears the most. Then we've done median, the middle number when put in size order. And the last one we've got to do is mean. So means it's the meanest to calculate. So that's why it's given the name mean. Okay, so mean is quite easy. You add the numbers together and divide by how many there are. So it's total divided by how many numbers there are. So add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So 3, 11, 4. If you add them up, it's 3 add 11. 3 add 11 add 4 equals 18. And how many numbers are there? There are 3. So 18 divided by 3 gives you a mean of 6. Okay. So that's mean. So we've done mean, mode, and median. Now you might get a question. So these are difficult mean questions, difficult ones, where you're given a total, and you're given a total. You're given the numbers, how many numbers there are, and you're given their mean. You have to find out the total. So let me repeat again. You're given a set of numbers, say in this case 5 numbers, and you're given their mean, but you have to work out what their total is. What is their total? And the way you do that, you just do the total number of numbers, which is in this case 5. So 5 numbers have a mean of 6. So 5 numbers and their mean is 6. So their total is going to be, you just multiply together. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, let's give another example. Let's say you have 4 numbers have a mean of 20. What's their total? So 4 numbers have a mean of 20. Let me just, 4 numbers have a mean of 20. Let's type it to make sure we 4 numbers have mean of 20. 4 numbers have a mean of 20. And you have to work out what 4 numbers have a mean of 20. So what is their total? So what is their total? That's quite easy. You just multiply the 2 numbers together. So you do 4 times 20, which equals 80. So their total is 80. So you just multiply the 2 numbers together. Okay, so that's the difficult mean questions. So we've done mean, we've done mode, we've done median. Now there's one topic which isn't an average, but it comes up in the topic of average. There's actually two other terminologies you have to know. One is range, which is range is where you find the highest number in the list, and you take away it from the lowest number in the list. So highest take away the lowest. So high take away lowest. So let's look at a series. What's the highest number in the list? It's 31. What's the lowest number in the list? 1. So the range is going to be 31 take away 1, which equals 30. That's the range. One other topic, last topic you should know is frequency. Frequency is how frequent it is, how many times it appears on a list. So if you want a frequency of 1 in this list, how many times 1 appear? 1, 2. So frequency of 1 is 2. If you look at what's the frequency of 0 in a list? Well, there's only 1 0, so the frequency of 0 is 1. And that's it. That's a topic of averages, and we'll see you in the next topic.